What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test pocket shot. About 5 years ago I have put to the test this really awesome arrow slingshot, but since then they have done few upgrades. So let's put them to the test and see if they made the whole thing a little bit better as well. Also I have bought an arrow trigger because they have recommended this thing as well. I think they actually sold it on Amazon altogether, this whole thing. Anyways, let's see what it's all about. Gonna do assemble inside because it's freezing outside, and then we go outside and shoot it a few times. Oh wow, check this out. This is definitely a huge improvement, and looks like only one. There's a big stopper at the end, and there's a little rubber piece for the trigger. Wow, that's cool. That flips over all the way like that, and then you put the two and you can pull on it. Way easier actually like that, because now this whole thing attaches to your hand. It's like a cast and you can really stretch it out. Pretty awesome. Obviously you can shoot little balls, little rocks out of it, not just arrows, but arrows is the coolest part about it. This side here, that's what we wanna include for the arrows, and looks like to keep the rubber safe and not getting poked through it, you wanna put this at the end of your each arrow. Kinda makes sense. Okay, and then we're gonna put this attachment on for the arrow. Also you can buy replacement attachments over here, but I didn't see the replacement attachment for this one. I'm sure you can find it as well. And let's see what this trigger arrow is about. Obviously we'll put it on my other hand. The trigger is supposed to be right here, so obviously we're gonna have to velcro it over here. My hand is a bit too big for that, but let's try it out anyways. Yeah, I'm sure this is one size fits all, but now you know, for those big guys like me, these things, you might have a problem if you have really big hands like I do. Okay, I think this will work somewhat. Anyways, let's go test it out because... Okay, and then what you will do is grab it like that, stretch it out, and all we have to do is, whoops, pull the trigger. Okay, and all we have to do, grab it like that, stretch it out, and just pull the trigger. Whoa, that's kind of crazy. Very, very sensitive. You do usually want to have a little bit of weight to release the trigger, so I'm kind of not happy how easy to release it. Like you barely touch it. You definitely want to wait on it. Oh well. Okay guys, first I'm gonna shoot without the trigger, see how it does. Ah, that is painful. I'll tell you what, this rubber definitely a huge upgrade because it's a lot more powerful. That's why they selling it to you with the trigger. I wish the trigger was a bit bigger. Ah, that is so bad. For some reason the arrow flying sideways. Maybe I don't need those tips for this little rubber thing. So you wanna, you see it's like thin actually. Maybe it will be much better. Okay, now it flies a lot more, but ricochet is kind of painful. Okay, it pops in pretty easily. Oh no, look what happened. This whole thing came off. A little bit disappointed about that. Ah, so yeah, I love this mod. Very beautiful, holds the arrow. Last arrow actually flew far. But that rubber is a little bit too hard to work with. It's super thick, but at the same time also that right here fell off for me. So now I cannot use it unless I retire. You know what, maybe it's a good thing. I'm gonna try to shoot a couple of times without that stupid rope over here. It fell off anyways. Let's try to pull on it because that cork feels like a really nice grip. So put it on and let's shoot it a couple more times. Okay guys, there goes nothing. Oh yeah, much better without the trigger. What's so cool about this upgrade, there's a air holder inside there, so you don't have to worry about it. You hear it clicking, and yeah, definitely remove the rope, guys. I'm keep missing it because I'm still learning how to use this thing. I think I'm gonna aim a little higher, closer, maybe a little bit higher, just to adjust my aim right here, and then I'm gonna start hitting them, all of them. Nice. Still hitting it low because it doesn't really fly all the way. To show you one more time how it locks in like that. You hear it pop in, and now it's not going to move it unless it moves it with the force. Push it all the way through, and I guarantee you that rubber piece will last you a lot longer. Wow, kind of air flying like this, and kind of drops after about, I don't know, 20-25 feet. Okay, let's try a few more shots, and we put the older rubber on, and we'll see which one actually shoots better. Again, kind of low, but you see it kind of, the air goes up and then down and stuck into the ground. You see it, need to aim a little bit higher. Cool. Another angle, maybe I'm gonna aim it better if I hold it like that. Okay, one more shot from here. Wow, definitely aim is bad, because if I'm shooting sideways like that, it goes to the side, then flies forward. That was like the worst one. Okay, gonna do it over the top like this. Ha! Nice. Okay, it just takes a little bit of practice to figure out how this works, and this is not bad. Maybe a little bit more pull. I'm giving it to do that now. Wow, okay guys, this is actually awesome. Taking it back, everything I said about this thing bad, because this is one of a kind gadget, and definitely improvement for the airs. Ah, it slipped. No! Oh, that's what I was worried about. Let me show you guys. Once I start getting good at this and start having fun, guess what? You see nothing inside of it. It's not really a cork. I really was hoping that it's actually going to start working. First the rope fell out, now the insert, that air holder, fell out as well. Probably flew away with the air. Ha! I found it. Guess what? It just stuck on the air. Whoa. I don't know why it got so stuck in there, but there you go. It is what it is. To replace the rubber, simple. Just hold this upside down and pull it one way or the other way. Let's see. You see, like that. Once it gets loosened up, just remove it, and then you probably could remove by then this little rubber piece. And you know what, I'm gonna put in the older style one, still for the errors, but without the error attachment. Let's see if it's going to be even better, because I remember first time I put it to the test pocket shot, it was amazing. Like, it was every time so awesome. So maybe we should stick with the older style. Okay, got that. Tighten it up all the way so it doesn't fall off. And then screw this back on, and let's shoot some arrows with this thing. But for this thing you'll need tips like that, so the rubber doesn't get messed up as much, because it doesn't have the plastic tip inside of the rubber that flies away anyways. Let's start. Oh my gosh, it flies so much farther. Not as powerful, I would say, as the other rubber piece, but it's so much better. Let me show you a couple more shots from this angle. Whoa, I hit the metal. I noticed it's better to shoot it not sideways, like this. Ah, that one went low. But no, I kind of like the old version. Keep missing it to the side. The other one definitely way more powerful rubber. I see why they did it. It just could be improved a little bit more. There you go, last one, that should pretty good. Okay, one more shot from far away, and hopefully I hit every single one of them with this rubber. Much lighter to stretch, and it doesn't stretch as long, so it's less power. But let's see if I can improve my aim. Okay guys, there goes nothing. Too low. Maybe I'm standing a little bit too far away, not enough power. You see what I'm saying? It's just bouncing off. It is the cheapest arrows too. There you go. So maybe a little bit closer. Yeah. So I'd say this is like what, 15 feet maybe? For hunting, for small rabbits and things like that. Could be still good. Improve your aim. Obviously I'm not any good at it. Too low again. You almost wanna kinda arch it. There you go. That one was perfect. Right on the money. And the last one kinda shoots to the side. Depends how much I joke my hand too. So a lot of times it goes sideways, it's my fault. But yeah, you could be shooting it pretty accurately. I just don't know how far with enough power. Well guys, power shot, Arrow Kid, upgraded one. I'd say it's still awesome fun survival and camping gadget, just to go out there and have some fun without burning a giant bow. So pretty awesome. But maybe get yourself a folding arrows or something, because that would be pretty big to carry into your backpack. But still, pretty awesome gadget. I liked it a lot. I had fun. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.